Hello friends, my name is Sagar Kapadia. I am from Krinet Design. Today I will teach you how to use the font awesome icon in a Figma. So for that you need to download the font awesome icons from the fontawesome.com website and install into your system. So it will available into the Figma. So you can download the font file and install into your PC. And next thing, open the Figma file and take a one text layer here, and here you can change font or some icons. And one more thing, this is the critical thing, you need to change sometimes regular or solid. You must change to the this solid. Okay, and then write the here icon name. If you want a home icon, then you need to write the home. Then it will automatically convert into the icon. Now I'm duplicating these icons into 4 times. Okay, if you want this another icon, then just edit this icon and write the name of the icons from the, that's it. If you want some search icon, then it will automatically convert your text into the icons. Same it here. You, if you want this around envelope, LOPE, ENVLOPE. Okay, so you will get a automatically icon from the font awesome. So this is the tutorial where you can use the directly font awesome icon from the website. And how can you know about the name of this icon? For that you need to search on the Google about the font awesome 5 cheat sheet. Okay, when you click on this first link of the cheat sheet, where you can find the name of the all the icons, so you can write into the Figma and use it as a icon. So thank you for your time. Please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.